we have discussed the 10 tips that will make you rich this year. These are the tips that you will find in none other YouTube videos, and these could make you rich for sure. Watch this video till the end because the 10th tip is the most important one and very crucial for you to follow. Now let's start. 1. Explore a variety of approaches. Creating various sources of income can be a smart strategy for maximizing your future earnings. One way to achieve this is by exploring different avenues such as starting an additional company, investing in stocks or real estate, offering freelance services, or creating digital products and online courses to generate passive income. These options can generate a significant income and accelerate your progress towards your goal of reaching 7 figures. With every dollar you earn, your personal capital has the potential to grow through the power of compound interest. You could invest your money into stocks and other assets to grow your money when you are doing nothing with it. 2. Cut costs wherever possible. Saving money can be a highly effective method for boosting your income, depending on the amount you are able to save. We're not discussing the need to be overly frugal or deny yourself the occasional Starbucks cappuccino if you have a habit of going there frequently. Having a mindset of being mindful with your expenses and diligently tracking them can greatly contribute to your efforts in building wealth. Eating in a restaurant every second day is not a wise decision, but you may consume food from the restaurant once a month, and this is quite wise. Make the most of your extra savings by investing them wisely to maximize your financial potential. Consider opening a separate bank account or, even better, placing your savings into a high-yield savings account. These accounts typically offer higher interest rates compared to traditional checking or savings accounts. Press the subscribe button and also the like button to know more amazing financial tips and tricks to get rich. 3. Consider increasing your investments. It's important to remember that keeping cash idle is not a wise financial decision. Instead, it's advisable to find ways to make your money work for you. Investment earnings are a great way to grow your wealth. It's crucial to start investing as soon as possible and maintain a consistent investment strategy. Properly investing an additional $1,000 every month can yield significant long-term financial gains. It may be beneficial to familiarize yourself with the fundamentals of investing or seek the assistance of a professional to manage your funds for a fee. Whenever you hire a professional financial advisor, be sure to pay him or her a fixed amount of money. Don't pay the person in percentage of cash invested or percentage of total funds. 4. Consider reducing your discretionary budget. If you want to save up quickly, it's crucial to be mindful of your spending habits and make wise financial decisions. While it's not necessary to completely eliminate all non-essential expenses, being conscious of how you spend your money is key. Embracing minimalism and making the most of what you already have can greatly help in reducing your discretionary spending. Do you truly require another pair of shoes? If you find yourself susceptible to the enticing advertisements on Instagram, it might be wise to consider removing the app from your device. It's understandable. Those ads are incredibly persuasive nowadays. Many individuals have a tendency to increase their spending as their income grows, resulting in a perpetual cycle of not truly accumulating wealth. Instead, consider breaking the cycle and finding ways to increase your earnings while reducing your expenses. 5. Establish a budget. Developing a budget is a crucial step in understanding your spending patterns and enhancing your financial standing. Contrary to popular belief, budgets are not only helpful but also essential for saving money and achieving financial goals. Carefully analyze your budget to identify areas where you can cut back and determine how much additional money you can allocate towards investments or savings. Making a budget is one such piece of advice that all the millionaires give. You should have a plan for how you will spend your money, and it is common sense, but still I see people not making a budget and splurging money without any calculations. They become poor very soon, almost in about 2 years. 6. Handling debt. Effectively managing debt can greatly impact your financial situation, helping you save money and grow your net worth. Having a significant amount of debt can limit the amount of disposable income you have to allocate towards other investment opportunities. By prioritizing debt repayment and focusing on improving debt-to-income ratios, you can increase your available capital for investing in businesses and other lucrative opportunities. This will expedite your journey towards achieving your million-dollar goal. It's important to prioritize your debt payments each month, as credit card debt often carries higher interest rates compared to student loan debt. Begin by prioritizing the highest interest rates. Consider keeping your debt payments in a separate bank account if needed, and explore the option of refinancing your debt to secure a lower interest rate. This way, you can make larger monthly payments towards the principal amount and pay off your debt more efficiently. 7. Gain a thorough understanding of your tax situation. Understanding how taxes work is crucial for optimizing your financial situation, as income taxes can be a significant expense for many individuals. It may involve exploring tax credits or deductions you're eligible for, establishing a retirement plan, or considering investments that can lower your taxable income. It's beneficial to consult with a tax professional or financial advisor to gain insights into how taxes can be advantageous and help you save money. By acquiring the necessary expertise, you can reduce your debts without sacrificing the advantages that accompany substantial savings. If you are thinking that only earning more or saving more will make you rich, then be sure that you won't, because taxation rates are very high in this country. 8. Consider requesting a salary increase or exploring new job opportunities. Making a career move or advancing in your current job can have a positive impact on your savings and income. Consider discussing with your employer the potential for a salary increase or the chance to assume additional responsibilities and receive higher compensation, especially if you have been in your current position for an extended period of time. Alternatively, if you're feeling trapped in a dead-end job, it might be worth considering a career change. If you think that you are changing your career, but then it does not mean that you will lose your job forever. You are just quitting one job, using the emergency fund for a few months, learning new skills, and applying for the new job. This will actually help you in the long run because you will not feel any effort or pain while doing your job which you selected. If you are following your passion, you won't feel any pressure of your task. 9. Set clear goals and determine what is most important in your plan. To maximize your chances of earning $1 million with these strategies, it's crucial to stay laser-focused on your goals and make saving and earning a top priority. Achieving financial success can be quite challenging, even though it may seem desirable to many. We can assure you that it is indeed possible, as we have successfully achieved it through starting our own business and making wise investments. Achieving millionaire status requires a significant amount of time, dedication, and hard work. If you are a hard worker, then you can become rich easily. You should also use your brain according to me. 10. Discuss these financial matters with the spouse. If you are handling all the financial matters alone, then it's common that you will face any trouble or an issue. It is the most common blunder that the people make, and I have warned many people have seen doing this. You see, if you have two people to analyze a single problem, then it will surely find a way. But if you are finding the path towards financial success alone, then it might be challenging. There are many other tips to become rich in 5 years or less which are not possible to discuss in this video. You should subscribe to our channel and watch the video appearing on the right side to know what are the ways so that you could get rich in just 5 years or even less. In that we have discussed many tips and tricks which will actually help you to get rich. I highly recommend you to watch that video. Thank you.